how to enable and disable Instagram data saver mode. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video, and let's get started. Now, first thing you need to do on your phone is to open your Instagram account. Then on your Instagram account homepage, in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, you need to tap on your profile icon. Then on your profile page here, tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner, and this menu will open up. Now you need to tap on settings. Then on your next page under settings, tap on account option. Next on these options, go down and tap on cellular data use. Right next here under use less data, you will see we have a data saver option. Just tap on this button right here, and this feature will be turned on to blue color. So if it is turned on, videos will stop from loading in advance. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.